What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out the Login Jotter subscription for July of 2022. This is a monthly subscription that's going to send you one 3.5 by 5.5 pocket notebook for $5 a month or two for $8.50 a month. They don't sell these in any stores or anything like that, so the only way to get these notebooks is through the subscription, and they don't reuse covers. Although they have kind of reimagined some covers in the past, you're never going to get the same cover twice. So super cool subscription at a really great price. The cheapest subscription that I participate in, I do get the 2 notebook subscription, and you also have the choice on the inner pages between blank, dot, or grid, and you can mix and match if you're doing 2 journals. But let's go ahead and dive in. Today I'm opening it with the Boker Kwaiken Air. This is with the Purple Rain Fat Carbon. I think this was a Kaviso exclusive, if I'm remembering correctly. Go ahead and close that up. And so we'll pull the first one out of there. Really kind of a earthy cover, brown and yellow, kind of a outdoorsy vibe, hiking. It's got the backpack and the boot. And then of course on the back you have that Login Jotter logo. They put it like this so you can place it in a pocket and that portion will be exposed. It is upside down, so you flip it over. Inside, of course, you have just your kind of standard fare on the front where you can put your information, the log dates, the summary, as well as some prompts, including a travel log and some page prompts, which you're welcome to read. On the front side, you get an inch ruler, and on the back, you get a centimeter, as well as the story for the month. This is the blank page. I also get a dot grid page. So the theme for this cover is the Escalante River, again, issue date July 2022. Staying true to form, this issue is inspired by the everyday things that are going on in our lives. As the summer began, we found ourselves needing to slow things down, to catch up with friends, and to enjoy some time outdoors. What could be more relaxing than backpacking through a canyon and hiking miles of trails with your closest friends? However you decide to unwind this summer, make sure to write it down, hit the trails, and make a story with your friends. Of course, has a spot for list and important dates, anything else you want to use in here. But again, kind of a really cool earthy color cover, kind of simple and outdoorsy. I like that a lot. The second one is kind of similar, also really earthy tones, a little bit more vibrant, but really simple design on these. These are the kind of covers I really enjoy because I don't feel bad using them. They're simple enough that, you know, they're good to use and they look really good still. And I say that because sometimes when they're the really, really cool designs, I hesitate to use them and they just sit unused forever because I want to save the cover. But like these kind of just simple, vibrant designs, and both of these are really good for that. So this one is going to be the dots. You can see they are numbered pages. I believe there's 40 pages in every notebook. It's going to have the same interior, prompts, and story about it. The only difference is going to be the name. So this one is called Boulder Mail. So 2 really cool covers again. Really like these kind of earthy, simple designs on them. But let me know what you think of this month's covers, and be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, hope you have a great one. Take care.